But I can make out until there's other buildings that go with it. Oh yeah, there's like 2 or 3 others.
So it's open house, November. I am at a HON3 and HO layout. I guess that's HO. Some of this is dual track. I'm at the Timber Creek Railroad. Or no. Timber Creek? No. I don't know. I can't remember the name of it. Newton Creek. Newton Creek Railroad. That's pretty cool. This little coal train.
Doc Patty used to know how many were there. He was on Doc Patty. Oh, several hundred. Yeah. Old Doc Patty. It's a real shame. I think should have been put in the museum. Oh, the better the reason for it. Yeah.
Those little cars are cool. Never seen nothing like that. Not sure what this is. I don't know if this is... Well, it doesn't look narrow gauge, but these locomotives are cool. Big locomotive there.
I'm gonna get going. Okay, everyone good. You good to be here. Yeah, take care. Okay. Good. No, I didn't have a basement. You didn't have it. So when it was hot, guess what you didn't do? You didn't go up to it. Good? Yeah, pleasure to be here. Yeah. I think I might head on over to the club and see what they're doing down there. Yeah. It gets kind of crowded sometimes. Well, you get around it, yeah.
Yeah, that's a modular. The club is a modular layout.
They used to set that up in the Borough Hall.
Yeah. Well, they only have the small section in the station, but we can still put it all together.
A lot of trestles, a lot of bridges.
Well, you look there, man. Look at the next one. Yeah. That's smooth. Yeah. Walls are in.
And climbers. There's this engineer. Full passenger train up there. I don't know if that looks like N scale up here. Up here, up at the top. For some perspective, I guess. Nice water. This is the back side. I was on the other side. Right. And I asked him, that is HON3 up there, not N-Scout. So part of this layout is HO. This is the HO side. And I'll bring it over to the HON3. There's just so much going on.
Oh my, that's awesome. Did they give you the costumes? Oh my gosh. That is awesome. That is cool. That is cool.
So here's dual gauge. All the track is hand laid. Turnouts are all hand laid. This is dual gauge. So you have HO and then HON3. And I guess that is a little HON3 locomotive. I don't know, Dennis, is that a Blackstone? Claude, is that a Blackstone?
It could be like a tree. Maybe. I told her to put a measurement tree.
Our nose are HO over there. A little bigger, you can see.
Nothing changes. All right.
Looks like Merchant Row over
Tell Brenda
there.
I said hello.
Basically, I can go to that engine and get down to that. Okay, I have trouble outside. Some of the connections, like because of the weather and stuff, you have trouble with the track, keeping it clean. So the hardware that you put the battery in there, and then this is how you run it with the battery. Okay. And that way you don't worry about what the track is doing.
It's nice, there's not many people here, so I can take a lot of pictures and video.
But that's the only
So
engine
much
that
to
has the
say,
battery
so
in it.
much to
The rest
say.
of them, well, that one has the battery in it.
So he really, I mean, his layout looks like it's all
Yeah, if you want to do
1900s,
outdoor,
1930s,
battery.
but he runs modern equipment too. He's DC and DCC.
No, this is a special company.
It's
in
just
New
cool,
England
right?
that make the batteries for those engines.
Oh, really?
Oops,
Yeah,
sorry.
yeah.
It's got a little Thomas here. There's Thomas. There's some F units, E units, whatever they are. Some modern SDs. But it's got a lot of steam. There's a cab forward back there, I say. He's got so many awesome trestles on his layout. This is cool. Dennis and Claude, you would love this. It's your era. And Bill, it's your era. Early 1900s. It's all narrow gauge in here, right?
We didn't have sound and all that stuff in the engine.
You had to push the button.
You had to push the buttons.
Out of the old
Yeah.
oil.
Very different world. Well, I didn't
Ah, that's a cool little turntable he's got there.
have they done everything they
It's a nice little turntable. It's small, but big enough. They look like caboose industry throws. Yeah. Everything's hand laid. So parts of this layout are 50 years old. He moved it and he's been in this present location for like 19 years. So parts of this layout are old. Didn't ask him which ones. It's hard to tell, right? He's pretty much copied everything. Did a good job blending old to new. Plane up there. This looks like the narrow gauge up here. He even has that's funny. It's got another roundhouse and turntable up on this end.
Yeah.
So it's got, this looks like HO here. It's got HO turntable.
So do you have a layout?